whoops, color, and we'll set that. And then we could leave the coat this color. I'm going to go ahead and actually change it to, let me actually just change it to that dark gray. It should make it a little bit easier. All right, Control right click, Polydraw Extend, and let's finish this out. So I'm going to hold down Alt, pull that out, just trying to create this nice little loop here. And then we've got a little bit of an issue right here. We really don't have anywhere for this geometry to go. Let me go ahead and try something a little bit different. Pull this out to here, extend that, and pull that, go to there, here, and then we've got a triangle, which is not bad, but I would really like it if I didn't have any triangles on this. Let me think. Let's go ahead and go to Swift Loop. Let's just add a loop right here. And then we're right click, Control, Polydraw Extend. Oops. And then we'll just redistribute these polygons. We can spread this out a little bit more. Control Alt to bridge that together. And we've got plenty of room for this to be worked in. And that's really one of the main reasons that I came in and I blocked out the loops and just started sectioning it off so that way we can work in smaller areas and then we have room to build up from there. Okay, so that looks good. All right, pull that up there. Okay, so now we've got that built in. So that's the top of that. Let's go ahead and start talking about how we can build in the rest of this here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, go to Swift Loop. I'm going to add a loop right in here, and that's going to loop all the way around, and that's okay. Totally fine with that, doing that. And then let's Control right click, go to Polydraw Extend, and I'm going to start bringing up these points, trying not to move around too much because I know that that can mess with the video. And I really don't want that for you. Ooh, we got something going on here. I don't like that, so I'm going to actually remove those polygons and then bridge across again. In this lesson, we're going to fill in the back of the coat. All right, so we went ahead and we started filling in the front of the coat, and now we want to go ahead and fill in the back here. So to do this, we're going to just follow along with the same process that we've been using here. One thing that I do want to do really quickly is I want to go ahead and add a segment right across the neck here. This is just going to help connect it to this piece here. So let's hold down Control, right click, and use Swift Loop. And I'm going to just create a loop right in there, and then Control right click and go to Polydraw Extend. And I'm going to make sure that I pull those vertices out as needed here. Okay, and then let's go ahead and grab this, pull that down, and kind of distribute the polygons here a little bit more evenly. Try to stick right across the edge of that, above the zipper there. Okay. All right. And then let's go ahead and hold down Alt. Let's bring down these points, or these polygons here. And then we'll go right across there. And then do the same thing here, bringing these down, extending that across. Okay. So there's that. Let's go ahead and do the same thing, and we'll just continue this loop right around the neck. Makes the most sense to do that. Now you'll see here that we get into some of those larger polygons. We may actually start pulling these down a little bit, just trying to get those to fit a little bit better. Okay. I think that that's okay. We may have to go ahead and hold down Control, go to Swift Loop, add a loop here and here, just to kind of help take in all of this information from this side. So let's kind of think about which way we want to go with all of this.